For the 10th consecutive year, Meghalaya has not produced any successful IAS candidates in the UPSc CSE 2024 final results. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has urged students to view this as a challenge and motivation to break new ground. Acknowledging the ongoing trend, Sangma emphasized the need for young aspirants to strive harder to achieve success in one of the country's most competitive examinations. The recurring absence of IAS officers from Meghalaya continues to raise concerns about representation at the national level.
Yes, no, this is happening for last 10 to 12 years. So this is also another unfortunate. But however, this should be the challenge of the young people.